ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 69, శ్లోక 2. తావదేవ కృతమండనే కలితకంచులీకకుచమండలే గండలోలమణికుండలే యువతిమండలే తపరిమండలే అంతరాసకలసుందరీయుగళమిందిరారమణసంచరన్ మంజుళాం తదనురాసకేలిమయి కంజనాభసముపాదధాః. Word by word meaning. Ayi Indiraramana, O Lord of Lakshmi. He Kanjanabha, Kanjam lotus, O Padmanabha. Tavat eva atha, at that very time. Yuvati Mandale, when the group of damsels. Krita Mandane, having adorned themselves. Mandana, meaning ornament. Kalita Kanchulika Kucha Mandale, Kalita, put on. Kanchulika, bodies, who had put on their upper garments over their breasts. Gandalola Mani Kundali, Ganda, cheek, Lola, dangling on, Kundala, earring, whose gem-studded earrings were dangling on their cheeks. Parimandale, had formed a circle. Tadanu, in accordance with that. Sakala Sundari Yugalam Antara, between every two of those beautiful damsels. Sancharan, moving. Manjulam Rasa Kelim, the beautiful Rasa dance. Samupada Daha, thou didst perform. Full meaning. O Lord of Lakshmi, O Padmanabha, at that very time the damsels, who had put on their ornaments and covered their breasts with their upper garments, and whose gem-studded earrings were dangling on their cheeks, stood in a circle. Thou didst then perform a beautiful rasa dance, moving between every two of those beautiful women. Om Tat Sat.